Girl, let's talk about these bang styles. I just wanted to come in here and show you some styles with my favorite look, which are bangs, and show you in real time so you can see how easy it is to achieve the looks. When it comes to creating the bang styles, all you need is a bobby pin and a ponytail holder, because I'm going to show you the other way that I've learned how to do bangs later on in the video. Just in case you didn't know, YouTube gives you the option to speed up your video if it's moving too slow for you. When it comes to this style, the most cumbersome thing is getting all the hair up and making sure that the locks are in place and that there are no locks that I missed or that anything is out of place, and making sure that they are smooth. When it comes to my locks, I don't like too much tension, so I usually use my looser headband, and it does a good job of keeping my hair in place. At this length, the back of my hair is hard to keep up when I do a high ponytail, so I just put in what I can and go through and pull the rest through, and whatever falls down, I just leave it down. I don't really bother with bobby pins or just making sure they're all up, but if it falls down, it just falls down. Feel free to share your opinions or thoughts on what I could do to keep the back part up, or if you think it's just fine with it falling down. Let me know in the comments. Now, once I have the ponytail the way I want, the bangs are next. All I need is my bobby pin, pull the hair up a little bit, and then secure it in place. I don't really think I've ever had to use more than one bobby pin. I think only one was necessary to hold my bangs in place since I've been doing it thus far. So there it is. Quick, easy, no tension, doesn't fall throughout the day, it stays in place. Let me know what you think. Easy enough? For my next style, I'll be leaving my bangs in place, and I just wanted to show you the difference of how the ponytail can look with the different sized hair ties. And with this one, I went in with the bigger hair tie and brought a little bit more hair around my face. I often like to take the time in my videos to say thank you for sharing this moment with me. As a small YouTuber, I do get discouraged sometimes, and then I have to remind myself that my videos are for who they are for. And to those who take the time to watch my videos, I thank you so much. I am encouraged to keep going. I don't have the time to record and post like I want to, so I do what I can, and I appreciate the support that you provide me throughout. Now, when it comes to styling my locks when I wear a ponytail, I find that it's easier to just do a big one or a small one and just put it around my hair one time and not pull and tighten it several times, because it causes too much tension for me. And so with this particular ponytail, I wanted you to see the smaller hair tie so you can see that it's not as wide of a ponytail when it goes across my head. And I really wanted to do like a donut, but I was kind of impatient this day. It just went with this style. You see the difference or no? You think it makes a difference or no? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I have shown you the slight variation between the ponytail holders. I want to share with you the other way that I achieve a bang look other than the pins. I actually kind of discovered this on accident. It was one morning while I was doing my hair, and I quickly tried it with the hair tie, and it worked. And I had a very good hair day that day, I must say. Now on to my favorite style. If you have watched any of my videos, you know my hair all down with bangs has become my favorite look. It's so easy, it's so chic, it's effortless, but once those bangs are in place, you cannot tell me anything. And so, like I said, I want to show you in real time what it takes to achieve these looks. And for someone who's new to being locked, I hope my videos serve as a reference for you, just to give you some insight of what the possibilities of your locks could be. You, as they say, trust the process. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. If you have made it this far, please know I appreciate you. Leave me a red heart in the comments. Thank you for your time. Bye.